Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to get your Snapstreak back. To start, open help.snapchat.com in your internet browser. Then, tap on I lost my Snapstreak. Once you're here, scroll down. In here, tap on Submit a Request. Then, all you need to do in here is to input your details. Start with your username and your email address associated with your Snapchat application. Then input your mobile number. Have your device inputted as well. And then in here, input your friend's username. And then, remember when you start having this issue and then input it here in the search bar. Then in here, input your latest Snapstreak before it expired. And then if you see the hourglass icon, click yes or no. And then in this box, you can now explain briefly what your problem is with your Snapstreak. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.